Want to do a quick walk around of my Grumman Sportboat. This is a Grumman aluminum sport boat. This boat is 15 feet 4 inches long, 43 inches wide. It's made of aircraft aluminum, and this particular boat was made in 1974 in the Grumman factory in Marathon, New York. It is in excellent condition. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd call it a 9. Originally, the boat was made to sail, so there's a mast step there, and then there were holes in the gunnels for the shrouds to hold the mast up and for the lee boards. It has also got 2 rowing stations, so you can row forward or aft depending on how many people and how much weight you have loaded into the boat. Very wonderful design. I really like these boats. This is my second one. I owned one once before that had been neglected for many years. I cleaned it up and sold it after enjoying it and kicked myself ever since. So I found this one, drove 5 hours or 6 hours one way to get it, and I'm very happy with my purchase. The Grumman Sportboat. Cool, huh? I think so.